Hi, I'm Rene, one of Blackstone Empire. In this masterclass, we'll be going into production of drums, basses, and mid-range. I'll be using like Surge, Serum, Faceplant, Geist, Trash, other Isotope products. You need that hook, you need that thing that people can go, they'll forget to make a melody and a good intro. It emphasizes the pitch where you set it. It will just make everything sort of squeeze together on that frequency. Kind of magic, but it's really good for like bass sounds. Very aggressive sound, and then these filters are just really good, sort of Moog sounding. Obviously, you have a lot of bass in this area. Thank you guys for watching the masterclass, and I hope you learned something.